Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wall hanger. It is made of macrame, and the knots are really easy to make. Anyone, even beginners, can learn how to make it. It is so simple. So let's get started. So we will need in this tutorial macrame cord. I'm using here 3mm macrame cord, and then you cut for 1 unit you cut 8 of them for 63 centimeter. So you cut 8 for 1 unit and it's almost 63 centimeter long. That's what we're gonna work with. And then we're gonna use either metal or wood ring, macrame ring, or they call it dream catcher ring. I got mine from AliExpress. I'll put the link down in the description below. So you can easily either use this wooden one or a metal one. Here you have the crescent shape. You can basically use any shape you want. I'm still learning for the crescent shape because it's different and there's like the loops here. But what I'm gonna use in this tutorial is a normal circular one. I'm doing almost half. I'm almost done with half of it. And these the whole unit how they look like. And this circle is almost 16 centimeter. So that's what I'm gonna work on this video. And we're gonna also use scissors to cut our macrame yarn, and finally a measurement tape, just to know the exact measurements. So let's get started. So we're gonna start by taking our yarn, fold it in half like this, and start adding it from the front to back. So we start with lurk knot. Now I attached all 8 of them. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do a square knot in the middle ones. So we put these on the side and these on the side. So what we're gonna focus on, we start with this one. And we're gonna do square knot. If you're not familiar with square knot, don't worry, we're gonna go step by step here. So let's do our square knot together. So you take the left cord, put it front, and then you take the right cord over, and then you put it under, and then make everything neat, and you make your knot. So we have, this is the first one, and we do another one from the other side. So we did the left first, so we do now the right above these two. Take the left, put it over, and then under. Take this and put it under, and here you have a full square knot. Just so easy to make. This is one of the basic knots in macrame. And we're gonna repeat this here and here. We do square knot as well. we have these three, 1, 2, and 3. What we're gonna do next is to connect. So you put this on the side, and we're gonna connect the middle one with the one on the left and the middle one with the one on the right. So we take the left two of the middle one and the right two of the left one, and we do again square knots. We do it here again, so we did the left and the right. So here we have them, and we will do the last square knot. It's gonna be the last 4 in the middle. So it's gonna be these ones. Here you have it. We made all our square knots here. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 square knots. Now we're gonna work with these, the ones that we neglected at the beginning, the ones on the side, and we're gonna make half hitch knot. What that basically mean that, well, I'm gonna show you the ready-made ones. What that gonna mean, we're gonna make these. So what we did right now are the ones here in the middle. So right now we're gonna make these on the side. So to start with, we take the one farthest, the farthest yarn, which is this one here in this situation, and this is going to be the leading yarn. So all our knots going to be around this one. So we take this and we take the one underneath. We're going to wrap it around this leading one, so like this, and we direct this to where we're going to want our knot to be. So we're going to make them like this, and this is the first knot we have, and we do another one. So each yarn does 2 knots, and just make sure they're tight and nice. And we'll continue all the way from here. This side we have this, the last one in the middle. They're going to be 2 yarns, so the left is going to end up with the left one, and the right going to end up with the right one. So we're done with this side, so we're going to do the same thing but on the other side all the way. Okay, where these two meet. So we're going to close it with the right one. So the right one is going to be, we're going to close it with the left one. I'm sorry. We're going to close it with the left one. So the left one is going to be the leading yarn. It's going to be like this. And here we have it. That's the first one. And we're going to repeat this the same here. This time with the right one. So the right one is going to be the leading yarn. And we're going to wrap the left one around it. And here we have it. That's exactly 1 unit we did. So we're going to continue all around. It's going to need more or less, this is 16 centimeter, it's going to need more or less around 10 of them, 10 of these units. And I've already done 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's still more to go. I would say 2 or 3. Well, usually I do 10, but in this one, this is smaller than usual. So I'm gonna stick to probably 8 of them. We will see how this is go. So to finish off, basically you just cut the ends. Just make sure everything is gonna be equal. I'm not gonna make them too short or too long. But we're just gonna cut these ends. For me, this length is enough. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And what I like to do, I usually use this comb just to comb them. I start with the bigger side first, and then go to the other side. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial and you make a beautiful wall hanger. I'll see you next time. Bye.